package is, I think it's Dana, but I didn't really like the name, so I changed it to Jenna. And she's from London, and she didn't come with anything, but she originally had these clothes on. But I got this helmet from my bike, and I'm gonna get it out in a second. She's from London, and I really like her hair. It looks a lot like me. I actually have glasses, but I'm not wearing them right now. So these are tight. They can come off, and this is her rain boots. I haven't really bought that much because I just bought her today, and I'm gonna give her to her bike because I just got that today too, and it's really cool. It's almost like a real bike and check. So then you know. Okay, so basically it has these pedals that go around and around like a real bike. One of the straps broke. I don't know why, but it just broke. We fixed it, but that's okay. Right here you can sit like your little pet on it. And you can't lower the seat, but that's okay. These wheels actually move like a real bike. Right here you can fit a brush or something into it. There used to be a brush here. I was putting one. And it's really cool because it's like right now you can see it's a Journey bike because it says Journey Girls. But it came with a different package with a different girl on it, but I just decided to have this. I really like the Journey bike because I haven't really, there's a bunch. I really like having the Journey Girls because it's a new collection I need to start, and I never really collect the dogs. But I'm going to put her on her bike, but it's going to be kind of hard. She can actually ride it, and you can put her on. So, I put her on a bike, and I had to shut off the video because it was going to take too long. She's on her bike, and it was really hard because one of the straps broke, and right here, but she's on it. She really likes going on her bike, and you can kind of use this as a rain jacket, and it can like drive around, and it's really cool. Beep beep. And it has like a jingle, and you can put your pets in and grab it. Keep it on.
Okay.
Okay, so right here, there's going to be something right here. A little black cat named Halloween. I changed her name over Susan. It's really cute. Right now, I'm going to brush her hair. She's a beep beep. Her hair is really soft. I just got back from a walk in the rain, and we took our dog Bella. It's right there. She's begging for a milk phone. And would you stop interrupting my video? She's very good. Stop. Okay, so, well, we had to calm Bella down. Grandma's giving me her milk phone, and, well, what I really want to give to her is, I really want to give her a Journey Girl suitcase, because, well, it's like she, I'm sitting on the table. It's like she would actually be traveling. I only have it like a bike. There's a motorcycle there, but I don't want to get it. It also comes with a food drink, and I want to buy that the next time. I also want to buy the hair clip and rainbow accessory from there. It belongs to a different doll, but I still want to get it. Right here I have a normal French braid. It's really cute right here. I'm going to leave her helmet on because we just weren't walking in the rain. She's really cute. Wave to Papa. She's a waver. She's from England. So I hope you liked this video, and not everybody does, but that's okay.